Hello and welcome to the Excel User Forms series. This series shows some specific user form examples and techniques. It assumes a basic understanding of user forms. If you are completely new to user forms, you can have a look at the user forms video in the tutorial for beginners. See the link up here. You can also read more about user forms in my blog, or you can get the user forms full guide. This guide explains everything from scratch up to advanced techniques. Follow the link in the description to get more info and see the list of contents. In this video, we see how to show, hide, and close a user form and some other basic functions of the user form. So let's go to the Visual Basic Editor, insert a user form, and we're going to have a basic user login form. We can change the caption of the user form here. Let's say user login, or we can also do it with code. Any of the properties here can be also set or updated with VBA code. We can show the user form using here this play button that says run sub or user form. So this is used while testing usually. So we can show and test the user form. When ready, we will have a macro that will call and show the form. And for that, it's important to know the name of the form. For now, the name is just user form 1. That's the default name. We're going to leave the default name, but you can change that over here. We could call it login form or whatever. But for now, for demonstration purposes, we're going to use user form. And then we're going to add a module. And here in the module, we're going to have our show form macro or procedure. And here we can say user form one.show. So whenever we call this macro, it's gonna show the form. And we can call this macro with from many different ways. I have explained that in another video. I'm gonna leave the link up here. There are so many different ways to call the macro. We could have a button here. For this login form, maybe it could automatically, it could be called on workbook open, for example. So wherever we do, we need this macro to show the form. Now we can have another macro to hide or close the form. There's a difference between hiding and fully closing the form. So let me put here hide form. To hide the form, we simply do userform1.hide. But when hiding the form, the, the data is still kept in memory. So for example, if we show this and enter here some data, and then we hide it with some button, it could be a button in the user form or a button outside if it's modeless, we would still keep this data, okay? After hiding the form, we could show it again simply with show. However, if we completely close the form, so let me put it here, close form, and for that we use the unload statement, unload user form 1. We remove all the data from memory and fully close the form. Now, we could call this close form, for example, from the button cancel. So this, if we call here close form, this will call that macro. But of course, we could also put it here, unload. And here we just need to say unload me because we are in the user form module. But if we are outside, we need to put unload user form. So if we have it here, now that button is closing the form. Now there's another very important property of the user form. If you go down here in the properties window, the form by default is modal. So show modal is true. This means that while the form is open, we cannot interact with other functions of Excel until we close it. However, if we want to interact with Excel while the form is open, we have to set the show modal to false. We can do that in the properties window, or it can be done programmatically as well, of course, with the property show modal. Now, if I show the form, I can still work here in the worksheet, add a new sheet, or use any of the functionality in Excel while the form is still open. So again, this is how we're gonna show the form. Right? And we're gonna hide it or close it, usually using a button in the form or this close button here. So that's how we show or hide or close a user form in Excel using VBA macros. Thanks for watching.